So it'll become choice arrangements if all of this passes. The codification part is really important. This was passed through with an executive order, and if this all goes through, it passes into law, the regulations as a federal statute, not just an executive order. On exchange parity, what we're talking about here is employees can pay premiums pre-tax via a cafeteria plan or a Section 125, even when they purchase ICHRA on exchange. That's not the case right now. You would have to be off exchange to take advantage of that pre-tax. And then federal tax credits for businesses with 50 or less employees. That's $1,200 that employer receives per employee in the first year, half of that in the second year, and you can stack that on top of state credits. It doesn't replace the state credits, it's additive.